In this experiment, we are going to find Planck constant using photocell. So the apparatus which we are using consists of this mercury vapor lamp. So you can see inside this wooden box there is mercury vapor lamp, and then we have this Planck constant apparatus. You can see this Planck constant apparatus consists of many meters and there is photocell. So a photocell is kept inside this. So when we keep photocell in front of source of light, we have to adjust little bit so that light will exactly fall on the photocell. Now here you can see 3 meters. One is voltmeter. So the voltage given between anode and cathode can be measured using this voltmeter. Then this meter is for measuring intensity of light falling on photocell, and this is microammeter which will measure current passing through photocell. Also we have 3 different filters. This is red filter, blue filter, and this one is yellow filter. So we will be using these 3 filters for the experiment. Now I can select any one filter and put the filter inside this notch and adjust so that light will fall exactly on the photocell. Now whether it is exactly falling on the photocell or not, that you can check using this intensity knob. See, if we change this position of filter, you can see there is variation in the intensity. So you have to adjust the position so that intensity is maximum. Also, intensity can be changed by changing this distance between photocell and source. As you take this photocell closer to the source, you will find there is increase in intensity. Now once intensity is set, you can note down this current, which is maximum current passing through photocell when applied voltage is 0. Now after this, you can go on applying negative voltage to photocell. That is, anode is made negative. So electrons emitted from cathode surface will be repelled by anode, and you will find there will be decrease in value of current. Now increase this voltage, negative voltage, so that current drops down to 0. So see how this current is decreasing, and for certain value of voltage, current will drop down to 0. So when current drops down to 0, you have to note down this potential. Now once this potential is noted down, this is called stopping potential, then you remove this filter. So stopping potential for blue filter is found out. Now you insert red filter. Then adjust the intensity almost close to the intensity which was adjusted for blue color. For that you can change the distance between source and this photocell. Now like that you have to find out the stopping potential for this red filter and then also for this yellow filter. Once these stopping potentials are found out, you have to use this formula. H is equal to E into V2 minus V1 into lambda 1 lambda 2 divided by C into lambda 1 minus lambda 2, where E is charge on electron 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb, and C is velocity of light. Wavelength of all the 3 colors they are given. At a time you have to select 2 pair, that is 1 pair, 2 wavelengths. So suppose I am considering red color as 1 and yellow color as 2. So V1 will be stopping potential for red and V2 will be stopping potential for yellow. So substituting the values of wavelengths and stopping potentials, you can find out Planck constant for this first combination, that is red and yellow. Similarly, you can find out stopping potential for a second combination of wavelengths, yellow and blue. And then for third combination of wavelengths, that is red and blue. So you will get 3 values of Planck constant. Then you find out average of them. That will be your calculated value of Planck constant. The standard value of Planck constant is 6.625 into 10 raised to minus 34 joule second. So in order to find percentage error, so when we perform experiment, there are many experimental errors as well as human errors. To find percentage of that error, we take standard value, then from which we are subtracting calculated value divided by standard value and find percentage of it. So that will give you percentage error. So this experiment will help us to find Planck constant using photocell and also calculate the error in determining Planck constant.